Hello students, if you want to pursue your higher studies in abroad and looking for your suitable programs, here's a simple solution Shakil Education is giving you. Just search in the Google Shakil Education Group Programs and on the Google, and on the first link you will find study abroad programs or international students. Just click on this. So here you will find various types of programs already here. So first what you can do is select the destination. Suppose you want to go to Denmark. So click on the Denmark, and if you have any favorite universities already in your head, so you can choose that, otherwise you can skip it also. And you can also filter out the disciplines as well. Suppose if you want to go for computer science or business or humanities or law, any type of disciplines you want to pursue, you can choose that. Next, you can also filter out the tuition fees. Suppose if you have any budget in your head, you can also filter that out. Just keep one thing in mind: when you are putting the tuition fees, just put the USD value, as all the tuition fees value in our website are in USD. So as you can see here are the USD value, so just keep the range in the USD value. Next, there is a duration filter. If you want a 1-year program or a 1.5-year program, which are mostly in masters, you can also choose that. You can choose 3-year bachelors or 4-year bachelors. You can also choose that. And after that, you can also choose if you want a full-time program or a part-time program. You can also choose that. So there is also degree type, which degree type you want to pursue. Suppose you want to pursue bachelor, you can choose bachelor. If you want diploma, you can choose diploma, MRes, and other options which are suitable for you. Then the study gap, if you have any study gap, so you can check which universities or which programs are accepting how many years of study gaps. So you can also filter that out. Also, you can choose the attendance. If you want on-campus program or an online program or a blended program, you can also choose that. After that, you can also choose the intakes. If you want a March intake, you can also choose that, or September intake or June. It's on you. If you want to go for March intake or a September intake, you can also choose that. After filling out all the filter options, you will find the programs that are available only based on your filters. So you can click on that. After clicking on that, you can find all the details related to that program. Suppose the overview, the program detail you want, suppose the duration, tuition fees, format, also the entry requirements, if there what are the academic requirements and language requirements, and also if there are any other requirements recommended from the universities, you can also check that. And there are key informations. If there are any informations for you that are available, you can also take that. After the title, you can see that there are the ECT options. That means how many credit it actually needs to complete that program. You can also find that here in the first line, on the second line actually. So after that, you can also check that. And also, if you want to check your eligibility, so simply, if you want to know other programs and you want to know further information, so what you can do is just click on this check your eligibility button. So here, just fill out the options that we need from you and click on these options as well. And after clicking on the inquire now, we will give you a mail regarding the counseling. We will give you a free counseling from us. You can take also online or offline. If you want to visit our office, you can also visit our office, or if you want an online counseling, you can also choose that. Thank you.